Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to send an invitation on Evite. Now if you want to send an invitation on Evite but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now the first thing which you need to do is install the Evite app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to open the Evite app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to send an invitation, you may create a new event or select the existing event of your choice. So to create a new event, you may click on the popular categories where you'll see the option like graduation, baby, adult, birthday, wedding and all. So select the event of your choice and you may simply select the templates and follow the on-screen instruction to create the event. But if you have already created an event, then you need to click on the option of my event, and here you'll see your event which you have already created. So click on it. Now once you are on the event detail page, you need to choose an invitation template. So after choosing the invitation template that matches the theme or the style of your event, you need to simply customize the event details such as the event description, time, location or RSVP option. And you can also do this by adding the photos, personalized events, messages or event themes. And you may also enter your guest email and you may simply send them the invitation by doing all of it. So that's it. That's how you can send the invitation on Evite. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.